Hi, my voice is still breaking. I'm not fully recovered yet, but there are some things which you need to know that what happens when a paper like CAT becomes as difficult as it was in 2025. Primarily, there are these 4 or 5 things which happen which you need to know. The first thing is that a student who was weak in DILR, a student who was weak in quant, it becomes even more difficult for that student to now qualify for the sectionals. Because while that, in a normal level of CAT, while that student had a strategy about it that okay, I have been able to attempt at least 1 or 1.5 sets in DILR, I somehow need to handle it somewhere. Now suddenly when a paper becomes this hard, this difficult, उसका गेम ही नहीं रहा वो कहते यार मेरे को नहीं होता मेरे से, अब उनके लिए एक दो सवाल करना भी मुश्किल हो गया. So while I've been seeing some of these videos of certain other educators and the coaching institutes who are saying that 2 sets were doable, 3 sets were doable, the ground reality is this: even for students, solving 2 or 3 questions was a challenge. I know it. I'm more closer to the ground, therefore I know this. उनका तो गेम खत्म हो जाता है ऐसे में. So if you are somebody, and let me know in the comments how many have you attempted, so I get more sense, a much more wider sense, I could help you more. Now how many did you attempt in DILR and VARC and QA? If you've been weak, then it creates even more problems. I understand that. Towards the end of the video, I will tell you now what to do. अब आप अपनी जो आप कर सकते हो उसमें क्या करना चाहिए. That was my first point, that this happens. Second point is not only for the ones who are weak, even for the ones who are great at either DILR or quant, even they face huge issues. How? They had a set strategy. They knew that okay, we are good and we are experts. On certain exams like CAT, happens once in a year, high stakes exam, when a paper becomes as difficult as it was, उनकी भी strategy हिल जाती है. The moment you walk into the hall, your strategy walks out of the door. And now suddenly there would be so many toppers, so many of your friends who you thought is a topper in this, they would be scoring very poorly in some of these particular sections. For example, I could say this for a fact: for somebody who was depending entirely on arithmetic in QA would have faced a difficult time in it, because the arithmetic questions were very calculation intensive and you had to use the calculator again and again, which by the way is also what was hinted by the convener of CAT in his repeated emails to the students, that hey, get yourself acquainted with the on-screen this thing, the calculator and everything, and probably that was a hint that by calculator kam aayega. But yes, even if you have been a student who has been a great student, then let me know that how did your exam went, because this is something important. Now the third thing which happens is that now because the highest score is not going to be very high, suddenly all the scores will become in one range. Probably for a 99 percentile, a score of 85, 88 might suffice. It might be that level. So suddenly closer हो गए scores. अब उससे क्या हो गया, बेल कर्व जो आपका शायद ऐसे होता पहले, अब वो स्टीपर हो गया, अब वो स्लिमर हो गया. अब उस चक्कर में क्या हो गया, बिकॉज अब ये स्टीपर हो गया है, पहले ऐसे था तो ज्यादा मतलब रेंज था, अब ऐसे हो गया है. नाउ हर एक इंक्रीज पे ऑफ द स्कोर, the percentiles are gonna drastically increase as compared to the other years. So please don't be surprised if at an increase of just 3 scores, and 3 means what? 3 means 1 additional correct question, your percentile might jump by 7 percentile, 6 percentile, 8 percentile for all you know. And it'll happen because of scores, because even क्यों हो रहा है, again I'll explain. The ones who would be able to score say a 55 or a 60 in a VARC or in a quant are probably now not scoring that much, because उनके scores भी वहां पे आ गए कम है, तो अब कम scores में ही सारा खेल हो रहा है. That's the case. That's the third thing. The fourth point is something which is more broad about this. I'll tell you what. The CAT as an exam, now it would establish that okay, it's a difficult exam, it's a even more high stakes exam. अब जो next year के जो बच्चे होंगे, जो होगा attempt, उनके लिए भी और ना stress creator बन गया है. Because see, CAT, I would say it's an unfair exam. Why? Happens once in a year, one day of your year. It decides your fate completely. अब इस लिहाज से if you see, GMAT, GRE, SAT तो मतलब बेहतर exams है. एक के बाद एक you can keep on attempting them and you can share your highest score in that. Makes more sense. How can your performance be judged on a single day? अब ठीक है, उसमें फिर ये कहानी है कह रहे but सबके लिए single day नहीं. But if I go to the fifth aspect of it, CAT is neither a standardized exam, CAT is neither an एंड अडेप्टिव एग्जाम, ये जो दो शब्द जो कहे मैंने, these come from the science of assessments. I know the science of assessment because I am a core academician and I can tell you standardized means what? That there is not a standardized level of difficulty. There is not a standardized structure of the questions. Fixed structure nahi hai. Adaptive means what? That the next subsequent question which you will see on your screen is not based on your answer or the outcome of the last one which you attempted. So when the exam is not a standardized exam, not an adaptive exam, happens once a year, you as a student now also need to see this cat as if कि यार ऐसा नहीं है कि exam is a very truest this thing of our ability कि यार कैट में जितना स्कोर है वो खुद ही एक स्टैंडर्डाइज एग्जाम नहीं है. इट्स नॉट अ गुड वे टू evaluate yourself and especially when an exam becomes this hard. The point number 5 I'll tell you, which is my last one, because see there's no point just like crying about कि कैट खराब है, कैट बेकार एग्जाम है. नहीं, अच्छा भी एग्जाम है यार, हर साल तो अच्छा आता है, इस साल थोड़ा प्रॉब्लम हुआ है. एक और प्रॉब्लम है, देखो इसमें पता है क्या होता है, अब ये बात समझनी पड़ेगी आपको कि क्वेश्चंस लाइक टीटा when you have no options they become useless questions. If you've seen me attempt the previous year CAT, which you would have seen me and you appreciated that greatly, you have seen me. I am very student like. मुझे भी बहुत चीजें नहीं आती हैं, बट फिर भी थोड़े बहुत स्कोर ले आता हूँ मैं. You have seen that. उसमें मैं यही कहता हूँ कि यार अरे इसमें ऑप्शंस दी दे, मैं नहीं कर रहा. That's not my first this thing choice because ऑप्शंस दी होते हेल्प हो जाती है. अब जब इतना मुश्किल सवाल है तो जो ऑप्शंस के साथ हेल्प नहीं हो रही तो विदाउट ऑप्शन तो क्या ही हेल्प होगी, आप समझ सकते हैं. ये जो मैंने इतनी लंबी 5 पॉइंट बताए आपको, ये इसलिए समझाए कि भैया ऐसे कहानी में ना अच्छों के भी प्रॉब्लम हो जाते हैं, उनके स्कोर भी कम हो जाते हैं. तो घबराने की जरूरत नहीं है बिकॉज अभी भी वी कैन सी क्या हो सकता है. अब सोचते हैं कि यार अब इसमें व्हाट ऑल थिंग्स वी कैन डू अबाउट इट. पहली चीज ये है कि ठीक है, a lot of these coaching institutes will bring out their score estimator and मतलब वो सब दिस थिंग. एक बार कर लो, अपलोड करके अपना आंसर शीट जब भी आएगा करके देख लो कितना स्कोर आ रहा है, मतलब प्रेडिक्टेड परसेंटाइल देख लो. बिकॉज इवन इफ आई से कि मत देखो, यार मतलब क्यों ना देखो ना क्या होता है, क्या फर्क पड़ता है, हो गया एग्जाम, वो देख लो, देख के फील ओके अबाउट इट कि जो है सो है. प्रेडिक्टेड परसेंटाइल कितनी एक्यूरेट होगी. अब एक और चीज होती है 6th पॉइंट, एंड प्लीज आई वुड रिक्वेस्ट समबडी टू जस्ट गिव मी दिस 1 पॉइंट 2 पॉइंट 3 पॉइंट कि यार ये क्या क्या पॉइंट्स थे, बिकॉज अभी आई एम नॉट फीलिंग वेरी दिस थिंग कि मैं आई वुड हैव क्रिएटेड अ फ्लो चार्ट अबाउट इट. अभी आई जस्ट वांट टू लाइक स्पीक टू यू. सो इफ समबडी कुड गो डाउन एंड राइट दीज 6 पॉइंट्स कि क्या क्या 6 पॉइंट्स थे. द 6 पॉइंट इज माय डियर फ्रेंड दैट what I was about to say in this, I'm forgetting, I'm sorry. No, what was I about to say? I forgot. Wow, crazy. Yeah, yaad aa gaya. When an exam becomes this complex, the questions are not that simple. I can tell you predictors भी काम नहीं आएंगे, predictors भी fail हो जाएंगे इस साल, हो सकता है. So don't even take that very strongly. I understand that predictors account or use whatever you entered, like you and your friends are entering. But no, it's not just that. I have also been on that side. So I know they are also heavily drawing on previous year के scores and attempts. तो वहां पे भी वो करते हैं ड्रॉ. उस चक्कर में वो जरूरी नहीं है वो सही हो, वो एक्यूरेट हो. तो पहली चीज तो मैंने ये कही कि ये कर लो, देख लो क्या होता है क्या नहीं होता. सेकंड चीज है भाई, इफ यू आर अपियरिंग फॉर ज़ैट माय डियर फ्रेंड्स, आई डोंट वांट टू बिल्ड हाई स्टेक्स फॉर इट कि जी बहुत जरूरी है, बट हाँ ज़ैट इज you should see it like this. That is another chance to get into a ABC level institute, XLRI. Let's get into that. And let me tell you, it's a simpler exam as compared to this. Why? Because of the structure, because of how much time you have to do it. And it's not that you have to solve all the questions. No, again, it's the same thing. So that becomes a very important exam. If you're appearing for SNAP, becomes a very important exam again. Symbiosis could be a very important exam. The third point is, does not mean that CAT का story is over, is done with. नहीं, पता नहीं कितने स्कोर पे क्या परसेंटाइल बन जाएगा. अगेन आई कैन डू द सेम थिंग दैट हाउ मच हैज बीन सेड बाय CL, हाउ मच हैज बीन सेड बाय दिस इंस्टीट्यूट, बाय योर टाइम, IMS, क्रैकू, क्या क्या मतलब कह रहे हैं वो मैं कर सकता हूँ. कोई फायदा नहीं है, अभी मत करिए, देख लीजिए, संतोष कर लीजिए. चौथी चीज है जो बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, विच इज गोइंग टू बी द वीडियो ऑफ माय नेक्स्ट, सॉरी विच इज गोइंग टू बी द टॉपिक ऑफ माय नेक्स्ट वन. प्लीज स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन स्किल्स. एंड व्हेन आई से स्किल्स, आई एम इनटू से प्रोफाइल. मैं आपको पूरे साल बोलता रह गया प्रोफाइल पे काम करना है, क्योंकि अब इंटरव्यूज का टाइम प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, MBA में जाओगे प्रॉब्लम आ जाएगी, और कहीं ना कहीं तो जाओगे ही यार. नहीं भी, और देखो नहीं भी गए, मान लो ये कहते हो कि माय स्टोरी विद कैट इज ओवर, सो व्हाट, जॉब में जाओगे, प्रोफाइल स्किल्स तो यू नीड, स्टार्ट वर्किंग ऑन दैट. Identify what you want to do after your MBA. If you're not sure about it, take my course, How to Be School. It's a pre-MBA program, but it's not just a pre-MBA program. It has 4 courses inside of it. One of them is MBA Specialization Selector. It helps you choose which specialization is apt for you. Make a choice, because only once you make that choice, then you will be able to build your profile. उसी स्पेशलाइजेशन में तो बिल्ड करोगे ना, ये थोड़ा ना करोगे कि एक कोर्स मैंने फाइनेंस का कर लिया, एक मैंने ऑपरेशंस का कर लिया, एक मतलब मैंने मार्केटिंग का कर लिया. क्या कर रहे हो? यू आर ऑल ओवर द प्लेस. यू हैव टू बिल्ड अ लेजर शार्प प्रोफाइल so that you get shortlisted with or without CAT. So skill building is the golden word. If you want that video how to build skills, let me know in the comments. Please take my pre-MBA program, very important. Start कर दो. वो है second चीज. Please start to also prepare for your interviews. अगेन यू माइट से बट सर MBA तो हो नहीं रहा है साल. अरे जॉब इंटरव्यू दोगे या जॉब है ऑलरेडी तो ठीक है. स्टिल प्रिपेयर योर सेल्फ फॉर द नेक्स्ट स्टेप अप इन लाइफ. You know why? A lot of stress we get or accumulate in life is because we are not taking action. Keep on taking action. Keep on improving yourself. It's going to help you a lot. Broad video थी, मुझे कहनी थी यार ये कुछ बातें तुमसे कि यार क्या क्या होता है. Please take care of yourselves. Let me know how can I help you on this. Thanks a lot and goodbye.